Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Today this is the second part of the video of chapter 4 Where Animals Live-Adaptation. In last video we have discussed about land animals, that is terrestrial animals, in which we have discussed about camel and polar bear. Today we will discuss about arboreal animals. Now what is arboreal animals? Animals which spend most part of their life on the trees are called arboreal animals. Who spends most of the part on the trees, like monkey, squirrel, chameleon, and different types of other monkeys, species of monkeys are spending their time on the tree. They are known as arboreal animals. They eat, sleep, and play in the tree canopies, like monkeys, koalas, possums, sloths, various rodents. Rodents is also known as rats, and a variety of insects are arboreal. Many animals have special adaptation to aid their arboreal lifestyle. Many arboreal animals have long limbs. Limbs means legs or hands that allow them to swing from one branch to another. When they are swinging from one branch to another, you will find they are not falling down from the branch because their grip is so strong that they are not able to fall down. They have long tails to grasp branches and it acts as an extra limb. Now their tail एक अलग पैर का काम करता है which holds the branch of the tree and help them when they are swinging. So this is the fifth leg, or you can say this is the fifth leg of the monkeys. Now some arboreal animals such as squirrel has flexible ankle joint that allow the foot to point backward so that the claws can hook into the tree bark when they are moving up and down. You must have seen squirrels moving very fast on the trees, coming down and going up. So how they can do this? When they are moving, their ankle joint is very flexible. They can move in any direction and they are holding the bark of the tree very tightly, and then they are able to move fast up and down. Some animals have adhesive pad. Adhesive means chipakne wala, which can stick to their, like you must have seen chameleons. When they are moving, they can stick their legs on the branches, and they also have a mitten like feet to grasp branch, and they are moving very frequently up and down. So this is all about arboreal animals. Next, water or aquatic animals. We all know that fish, many other type of aquatic animal like shark, whale, all are living in rivers, fresh water or salty waters like sea and ocean. Special adaptation help them to survive in such habitats. Now, animal which are living on the terrestrial cannot live in aquatic habitat because they are not having their special features to survive in water. So the animal which are living in water, they are having some special features which help them survive in water. Like fish, fish are having gills to breathe in water, and other animals, land animals, are not having gills, so they are not able to survive in water. So other features are fin and tails help a fish to swim in water. Fins, fish are having fins which are and tails which move, and then they are able to move forward. The tail keeps it propelling through the water and guide their movement through the water and control their direction like a boat rudder. The next is fish have gills to breathe, so they are able to take oxygen from the water. Gills, the function of gill is to take oxygen from the water, and then they are breathing out the carbon dioxide. You must have seen a line on the body of the fish This line is known as lateral line, which is a very specialized sense organ which works like a radar and help them to navigate in dark or misty water. In night, when they are not able to see, this lateral line helps to sense that what danger is there in front of them, and they are able to move according to that. Next is fish have powerful senses of touch, sight, taste, and many possess a good sense of smell and hearing. They have streamlined body to allow the water to easily pass over it. Streamlined body. What is streamlined body? In which the front and back of the body is tapering and middle of the body is broad. So you must have seen the front part and back side of the fish is tapering, and in the middle it is broad size. So this type of body is known as streamlined body. Some other examples are, you must have seen boat. Boat is also like the shape of fish only, in which the front and back is tapering and in the middle it is broad size. Again, you must have seen bird. Bird is also having streamlined body, and all this type of body are very efficiently able to move forward very fast. So they are able to move in water and in air. Birds are able to move fast in the air. So these are known as streamlined body. Next is amphibians. Now what is amphibians? Amphibians are the animal which spend most of their parts in land and in water both. They are able to survive in both the condition. So they are having some special features when to survive in water and on the land also. When they are land, they are able to breathe with their lungs, and when they are in water, they are able to breathe with the moist body. So these features help them to survive in both the conditions. So adaptation on the frogs are, frog is an amphibians. It lives both on land and in water. It lays eggs in water. The eggs hatches into tadpole which live in water till they grow and into adult frog. Now tadpole have long fin tails to help them swim and breathe through their gills. When frogs are laying eggs, they are hatching into tadpoles. Tadpoles look like fish only, and they are also having gills and fins to swim in water and breathe through their gills. As the tadpole grows, they are developing their lungs and other part of their body, and when they are in the they are adult. Fin tails to help them swim in water, and they have gills to breathe. So these are the features, special features which make frog to live on the land and in water. Now next is aerial animals. We all know aerial animals can fly like birds. Some insects and bats are the examples of aerial animal. The special adaptive features of birds are, flying birds have very large breast muscles. This muscles on the chest pulls the wings up and down. The bird have hollow bones filled with air. This adaptation makes the bird skeletal system light in weight and make it easy to fly. Then birds are the only animals with feathers, and they are having again boat shaped or streamlined body which help them to fly nicely in the air. So these are the features of the aerial animals. The other part of our flight adaptation in insect and in the bats, but the important is only one that we are to do in this aerial animal, that is bird. How do they fly? Now in next video we will discuss about the adaptation for protection. Till then, bye.